Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix apps closing or reloading in split screen on your DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. So, in order to resolve this issue, we have to go through a couple of steps. First of all, would be extending our RAM using virtual RAM. Just make sure that you have enough storage on your device to enable the RAM extension. Check the storage menu right here. Make sure that it's not clogged up. Make sure that you have at least around 60 gigabytes of available storage in your device. If you do, you can go to About Tablet section, scroll down to RAM, select Set RAM Extend Size, and select 26 gigabytes since it's the only option that we have. And then wait until your device is restarted. After that, you should disable the standby optimization for the applications that you want to use in split screen. To do that, go to Settings, then scroll down to Battery Settings, open them, scroll down to App Standby Optimizer. Then on this list, you should find the applications that you are planning to use. And if you see them here on this list, you should select the application and then disable the app optimization by switching the first toggle to the left. And lastly, let's wipe the cache in all the applications we have on our tablet. To do that, let's turn it off by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, selecting power off, then tap OK, and wait until your tablet is turned off, which can take around 5 seconds. After that, you have to press and hold both volume up and down keys at the same time, and while holding them down, you have to press power button until you see the DOOGEE logo on your screen. Once it appears, you have to release the power key and keep holding down the volume keys. Here we're gonna have to navigate down. You can navigate up or down using volume up or down keys. This way, navigate to Wipe Cache Partition and select it with power button. On the following page, navigate to Yes, and then select Reboot System now to restart your tablet. After that, the issue should no longer reappear on your device. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.